Hello, my dear learners. Namaskar and welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner. In this channel, I make videos related to learning English language, and recently I have started the series Broken and Spoken English speaking practice for beginners. Anyone can watch these videos with the help of subtitle. So guys, I want to say one more thing about this series. In this series, I allow myself to speak English correctly or incorrectly. Now let's move on today's topic. In this video, I am going to tell you about my life, my passion and my hobby, that is English language. I love English as well as I love expression. Both languages, Hindi and English. And I also love teaching in English. Of course, I am Indian and I also love Hindi. And my first language is Hindi as a mother tongue. To learn and improve English, the first language helped me a lot. Initially, I improved English language with the help of Hindi. It means that is my mother tongue, and I love expression in both languages, that is English and Hindi. When it comes to my career and my life, this language, that is English, played the most important role to change myself. Although others matter too, but it is one of them. It adds more valued in communication skills. I read, listen and watch, write as well as speak in English because it helps to build my confidence. Whenever I think and speak in English, I feel energetic and full of enthusiasm, and I like teaching in English. Today in this channel, because of English, I created YouTube channel. In future, I see myself in form of many opportunity in English, that is English language. Initially, I speak broken English. I am not perfect in this language, but I regularly practice a lot, and as a input I listen in English. That's why I am getting better. Day by day I have been working in reading, listening, writing skills, as we all know that improvement comes through practice. The more practice, the more improvement. And another statement is progress. Progress is better than perfection. There are many opportunities in this language. It helps to get a good job, and it helps to run a business in all over the world. It also helps to meet people. One palace, it means one country to another country. It links to person because English is an international language. It also connects two people from one country to another country. It is spoken all over the world. It helps to improve your communication skills. Finally, I want to say that about this language, English is a window by which we can see the whole world. So this is all about this language, and keep practicing every single day or improving your communication skills and learning, growing